I know he has, my husband's a gross. His uncle was Naftali Gross, who was the older brother, and Chaim Gross was the artist. David's father was Avram Gross, and he was a butcher, and he helped bring Chaim here and helped support him in his early years. And both Chaim and Naftali, I think they sort of, I won't say they looked down on their brother, but he was the butcher. They were the artists. So David and his sister Debbie, who is also a very fine artist, I have her art all around me, and they were sort of very resentful of they felt their father was not being honored and he was a hard-working man and a butcher and poor, and they lived in a small apartment, and his mother-in-law moved in with them, and this was a tight situation. This was how Jews lived. No, I remember Chaim Gross. He was at our wedding. He gave us that painting. That was our wedding gift. No, he was perfectly nice to us. His granddaughter, his son, Yudi's daughter, Sarah, is we're very close with her.